caterpillars just eat and eat and eat and eat and eat. And normally when you get caterpillars in your garden or in your vegetable patch, they cause a lot of damage because they just eat, and they just destroy wherever they go. And there's a lot of people in this world. I have a caterpillar in my internet, in my PC, in my technology. He's a caterpillar. He just eats away at all the value and all the good things in my space. So you must understand that sometimes you're going to have caterpillars, but that's why we've got insecticides. When you need to get rid of some caterpillars in your life, you better use an insecticide. But don't expect them to speak butterfly language when you do, because they cannot. It's not available and it's not possible. So if you know that you are a butterfly, celebrate it, because butterflies are beautiful to look at. And you know what else? Butterfly cannot see its own beauty. So when you speak butterfly language and you are a butterfly, know that your beauty and your presence and your magnificence is observed by others. Just like your face. Your face is not for yourself. Your face is for others. So if you are going to live your life as a butterfly, remember, what does your face look like? What do you show the world? What expression are you carrying on your face today? Are you displaying like a beautiful butterfly? Or are you all grumpy and upset and Your face is not for yourself. Your face is for the world. So what kind of face do you want to show the world today? Are you going to be a caterpillar or are you going to be a butterfly? And please, stop feeling misunderstood. Stop feeling that people cannot hear you. Stop. Because sometimes you need to accept and you need to admit that not everyone is going to speak butterfly language. So be a beautiful butterfly and let your face be something magnificent to observe and to look at.